Hello, I'm Gary Monaghan. I'm Investment Director for Asian Equities at Fidelity International. And today I was at NAB Trade to present on the Fidelity Asia Fund, which is also available as an active ETF. In the presentation today, we discussed the long-term opportunities for investing in Asia and also the shorter-term opportunities that we're looking to take advantage of in the equity markets today. Over the long term, Asia is massively underrepresented in global equity markets. It makes up around 40% of the world's population, 25% of GDP today, but 50% of the world's growth, yet only 9% of global markets. The long-term opportunity is clear to be had, we believe. In the shorter term, and as we're looking ahead to the next 12 to 24 months, we're discussing some of the opportunities we're seeing from an equity market perspective. The Chinese consumer is grinding up slowly, and we think that added to the cheap valuations creates a significant re-rating opportunity for companies that are really linked to around experiences and services, and maybe even trading down on the consumer side. In India, it's an area that we've been away from for a while because we've been concerned about valuations. However, in recent months and quarters, earnings expectations have been coming down. The India market has underperformed on a relative basis, and it's again created some buying opportunities to add positions in what is a great long-term growth opportunity with rising demographics and a rising middle class. Korea was another market that we discussed, and we were just talking about the opportunity there driven by corporate governance reform. Korea valuations have been lagging the rest of the region for a very, very long time, primarily driven by the fact that there are corporate governance concerns and that companies sit on a lot of cash. The corporate governance reform that could be going through could actually unleash some of that cash on the balance sheet in the form of dividends or buybacks to minority shareholders like ourselves, and could create really long-term value for shareholders. Finally, we were just showing that the Fidelity Asia active ETF has a very, very high earnings expectations for the next 12 months. So around 14 to 15% earnings expectations, which is very much in line with the US actually, but trades at a fraction of the valuation. So we're looking at a forward PE of around maybe 16 times versus the mid-20 times PE ratio in the US. It was great to be here, and for those who want Asia to be their next investment destination, you can find us on the ASX under the fund code FASI.